Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves designing on Canva, but your workspace is starting to look like a digital jungle, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to create folders in Canva step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your designs like a pro, save time, and keep your workflow clean and efficient. Let's jump right in. Accessing the Projects tab. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Canva account on your computer. At the top of the Canva dashboard, you'll see a Projects tab. This is where all your designs, uploads, and brand assets are stored. Click on the Projects tab and then click the Add New button. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Folder. This tells Canva that you want to create a new storage space for your designs. Naming your folder. Once you click on Folder, Canva will prompt you to name it. Here's a quick tip. Choose a descriptive and specific name so you can easily recognize it later. For example, instead of just saying work, you could call it social media campaigns, client designs, or YouTube thumbnails. The more organized your naming system, the easier it'll be to find your work later. Finalizing your folder. After entering your folder name, double check it for accuracy. Make sure it clearly represents what's inside. Once you're happy with the name, click the Continue button. And that's it. Your new folder has been created. You can now drag and drop existing designs into it or start creating new designs directly inside that folder. Maintaining your folders. Now that your folder is ready, make it a habit to organize regularly as your portfolio grows. If you design frequently, consider creating separate folders for different clients, content types, or months. This small habit will keep your Canva space clean, help you work faster, and make collaboration much smoother, especially if you're part of a team. And that's it. You've just learned how to create folders in Canva like a pro. A simple step, but one that makes a huge difference in keeping your creative workflow smooth and organized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy designing!